Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you how to do a plait bun today, but with a twist where you're just going to add a scarf to that one. Alrighty, first off we're just going to start by brushing our hair to the back into a ponytail. Then we're just going to grab our scarf, just going to pull it through the band, pulling it up, and I'm just going to secure it in place. Just so it doesn't go anywhere while we are doing the plait. And we're just going to split the ponytail into two, like so. And then we will just start to plait using the scarf. And then once we get to the end, just going to grab our band and tie it off. And then we are just going to wrap the hair around, just leaving this end out, grabbing our top piece and pulling it down, and tying off the end, and there we go. We have a plaited bun. Enjoy!